not feed the birds. They are such ungrateful little... My apologies. I mustn't speak this way about His Majesty's avian subjects. They are only trying to get by. He was... how do I put this? Distinguished. Sleek, iridescent feathers. A certain knowing tilt of the head. Outside Greg's, or as one friend likes to call it, Gregory's Patisserie, a name far more befitting an establishment destined to stage my encounter with that particular winged gentleman. Naturally, he recognised royalty when he saw it. Noble recognises noble, even among the avian community. A London pigeon, yes, but not like the others. So, naturally, I offered him crumbs. From a sausage roll, of course. He accepted, graciously, then turned and flew off with the rest of the sausage roll. Didn't even look back. Didn't thank me. I saw him again a week later, outside Pret-a-Manger, with another girl. She gave him a crumb from her sandwich. He took that too. They always do. I saw him again the following week. He cooed in my direction. I blanked him. Dignity must be maintained. Even if we are fellow creatures who, once upon a time, were convinced we were meant to touch the sky, London is full of them, fallen monarchs with scars beneath our feathers, feigning purpose while fighting tooth and nail for crumbs.